Welcome, in front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and in this video I will show you what to do if you can't access your device, if you can't find the right pattern to access your device. So in such case, the best solution for you would be to try maybe a couple of times, give it some time and try to remember the pattern that worked for you the last time, because this might save you a lot of work in the future, and also otherwise it might cost you your data if you haven't made any backup to Google Drive. But if you really can't remember it, then the other best solution for you would be to contact TECNO Customer Support service and tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your phone to them, they will most likely help you solve your problem and will recover your access to the phone. Now, if it's not available for you too, then the other solution would be to perform a factory reset, which will erase all data from your phone. I hope that you made a backup of your personal files and data to Google or anywhere else. But anyway, this will surely let you regain access to your device. So you can do this both remotely and locally. If you want to do this remotely, you can use the Find Hub service by Google. So enter Find Hub. If you have a Find My Device feature enabled on your phone, usually it's enabled by default unless you disabled it manually, and just open their website, select your device which is connected to, or log into your Google account that is connected to this phone, and then select this device and select factory reset in order to perform a factory reset remotely. This way, as I said before, all data will be removed and you will be able to set up your phone as a new device. Now, you can also perform a factory reset locally. If you can do this remotely, you simply have to use the recovery mode. If you don't know how to access it, or you need some help in the progress, then you can check the full video on our channel, where we explain everything step by step, so you don't get lost or confused, and you surely will do everything right this way. So if you need it, go check it out. And for this video, that will be all. I hope that my advice helped you, and if they did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.